Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make smooth movement in Scratch with WASD. So first you can go to events and I will use when flag click, and for control forever the next use if then. After it go to sensings and we use key preset in here. So you can duplicate into 4, and the next in the top here we set into W for key, and bottom here S, this is for A to move into left and D to move into right. So W move to the top, so you can go to motions and we use Y change by Y default 10 points, and duplicate to the bottom you set minus 10 point. The next for A, it is move to the left, so change by X minus 10, and then for D move to the right, change by X 10 point. Now if you click the flag and then you can use W move to the top, S to the bottom, A to the left, and D to the right. You also can change for the value in here, like I will set into 5, so it will be set more smooth for moving the objects. Minus 5, and in here I will set into 5. Click again, flag, and then you can use the W, S, A, and D to move the objects. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch tutorials how to make smooth movement with WASD.